Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to cover normal ortho number 9. And number 9 is a little more simple than number 10 was. So let's take a look at it and let's ask our standard questions. So how would we describe the shape / how many chunks could we tear it into? I would say we could tear it into 3 chunks. You've got a rectangle here, and kind of an L shape here. So that would describe it. Does the part have symmetry? I would say absolutely it does, from front to back. This half is the same as this half. Left and right not the same, top and bottom not the same. So let's go ahead and let's look at this part. Where can we start? I could draw this L and then extrude this and then extrude that. But since I have the same feature on the front and the back, this is a great part to mirror. And so I will be looking to make sure that you did a mirror for this part. So we're going to start off drawing this L shape. We'll come back to Inventor, and we will sketch on the front. And in this case, I'm not going to project geometry because I don't have a symmetry to worry about in this direction. So our first line that we're going to draw is the full length minus a ½ inch. So instead of typing in 2.75, I just typed in 3.25 minus 0.5. And now we're going to come up full height and back an inch, down 0.5, and then simply auto project to the end and close our sketch. We're going to extrude this. Now this is going to look tall, okay, and that's fine. I believe that's 0.75, and we need to make this symmetric. For now, though, I'm going to show you what it's like if you don't leave it symmetric. So let's go back and double check that that is 0.75. Okay, great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a 0.75 by 3¼ inch rectangle off the front of my L solid that I have. So we're going to go rectangle, we're going to go 3.25 by 0.75, double check that dimension. Yep, okay. And then we're going to extrude that 0.5. Perfect. Now, when I go to mirror this, because I didn't make my first L-shaped extrusion symmetric, my XY plane is not in the middle of my solid. So this is out too far. This is an easy fix, so I don't expect you to do this. You can do it the right way by making this extrusion symmetric, but I'm going to show you how we can go back and change a part if you realize, oh, I messed that up. You do not have to go back. Very, very few times do you have to go back and actually delete a bunch of stuff to make it right. So let's do this real quick. Let's take extrusion 1 and double click it, and we're going to change our extrusion to symmetric, hit OK, and boom, there our back rectangular prism is in the correct location. So just because you make a mistake doesn't mean you can't go back and try to fix it. In fact, I would do that before you just go ahead and delete a bunch of stuff and redo it. So thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.